Okay, so we've moved around the corner of this lovely laneway in Hosier Lane, and we're going to do a different perspective here. What I'm going to get Rebecca to do is sit on this crate, obviously. I want a real grungy look. So I am using the a7iii, we're using the B10, and I've got the 28 to 75mm Tamron lens as well. Now, I'll check settings that I'm actually going to use. So I want to expose for the ambient before I actually start. So I've got 1/100th of a second, f2.8. And I'm on ISO 160, so I'm just going to take a test of that, and I think it looks pretty good. It does. So now I'm going to turn the flash on, and we'll just have a look and see what that fills in like. Yeah, that's lovely. Again, I don't want it to look too flashy, so I'm trying not to give it too much. That's beautiful, Rebecca.
Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open. Can't stand to hear more today. I'm gonna lock my door and stay inside, away until I'm safe again. I have nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good in life is free, but it's overwhelming how people can hate on me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open, 'cause if I shut down, it just gives them right. I wanna stay wide open. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna stay wide open, when no one can break me, and no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay